Hey guys, here's the third video on this fan. Well, the third restoration video actually after it was restored. So I just restored the fan. And now it actually works a lot better than it did before. One of the things that you may but also the paint is starting to rub off a little bit, so yeah. The blades are still very dirty, and also I actually did notice that the welding for the cage is starting to come off, so yeah. Basically what you're about to see now is its after performance. Now the fan works beautifully now, and there's no issues with it. So yeah. So without further ado, let's plug it in and we'll give it a test run. If I can, like I said, I did put on a different cord. This is not as fancy as the other cord was, but at least it works still with the fan. Well, the thing is that I had to, this one was taped because I didn't want the wires to be exposed. This is how it looked with the last cord it had. But yeah, and then it was also oiled too because the fan was spinning very slowly, and yeah. This cord is a lot longer than the previous one, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and try this fan out now. All right. And like I said, to turn it on, you can just use a power strip switch. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So anyway, here we go. It is still off balance though, it's still vibrating. I don't think it's moving itself across the table though. But the oil has made a big difference, and now the fan is working perfectly. It still vibrates around though, at least that's all I know. Especially, yeah, the oil, just has one small drop of oil has really changed the way the fan performs. Anyway, so, yeah, let's turn it off now. It still does make that noise when you turn it off because the bearings are loose, but yeah, there's a difference in the performance of the fan. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next fan video. Peace.